Very good morning, dear students. I am B. Satish Kumar, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College, Man, Srikakulam. Today we will discuss about the alkylation of alpha thio and alpha selenocarbanions. What is thio? Thio means sulfur. What is seleno? Seleno means selenium atom is involved in the synthesis. So it can denoted as Se. What is carbanion? Carbanion is a anionic form of carbon is called carbanion. What is a alpha thiocarbanion? The carbanion is alpha to the sulfur. That compounds are called as a alpha thiocarbanions. What is a alpha selenocarbanion? Here carbanion is alpha to the selenium. That carbanions are called as a alpha selenocarbanion. See the structures of both these reagents. Here see the below we have two structures. One is alpha thiocarbanion, another one is alpha selenocarbanion. Here sulfur neighboring carbon having negative charge, that carbon is alpha, so it is alpha thiocarbanion. Right side we have seen the structure. Here selenium neighboring carbon having negative charge, that carbon is a alpha carbon to the selenium, so these carbanions are called as a alpha selenocarbanion. So the carbanion is stabilized by neighboring sulfur and selenium atoms. Generally sulfur is used in the form of sulfide, sulfoxide and sulfone in organic synthesis. Both sulfoxide and sulfones are activating groups. So these groups is easily converted into carbanions when compared with the sulfide. Another important of these reagents, these groups are very easy to remove from product after the reaction if desired by reductive cleavage or by hydrolysis. See the equations of reductive cleavage and hydrolysis in this slide. Here vinyl sulfide involving in the reductive fission or reductive cleavage to form alkene. What is that? Vinyl sulfide involving in the reductive cleavage or reductive fission to give alkene. What is reductive cleavage? Reductive cleavage means the cleavage of sulfur and carbon bond by addition of hydrogen source. That cleavage or that fission is called reductive fission. See the hydrolysis process in vinyl sulfide. In vinyl sulfide involving in a hydrolysis to give enol. You know enol in first chapter. Enol is a alkene alcohol. This enol is a unstable, so it will convert into a stable form of aldehyde through keto-enol tautomerism. Generally sulfur analogues is used in the place of selenium compound because of selenium compounds are greater expense. It's very costly compounds and toxicity also high. That is why in the place of selenium mostly we are using in sulfur analogues in synthesis. Both sulfur and selenium are same group. The chemical properties of both is almost same. So in the place of selenium we are using sulfur, that is called thiocarbanions are used. A particular advantage of selenium compound lay in the use, then it is employed. See the generation of carbanions, both thio and selenocarbanions. See the example of a dialkyl sulfide reacts with LDA or butyl lithium in THF solvent at low temperature to generate a alpha thiocarbanion. The same way selenium compounds also synthesized by above method. Here dialkyl selenium reacts with LDA, means lithium diisopropyl amide. It is a sterically hindered base in organic synthesis. So most of the reactions LDE is used as a base, whereas N-butyl lithium or secondary butyl lithium also used as a base in THF solvent. In minus 78 degrees temperature is required for these reagents. So to give alpha selenocarbanions. Now see the applications of these reagents. The first application is alkylation process. Here take an example of a dialkyl thioether, presence of a N-butyl lithium. Here N-butyl lithium is already we told that it's a strong base. It abstracts a proton from alpha carbon of thioether to give alpha thiocarbanion. This alpha thiocarbanions acts as a nucleophile. These nucleophiles react with any electrophiles. Here thiocarbanion acts as a nucleophile, so it will react with methyl iodide. Here methyl group is a electrophile, so it attacks the methyl group to give alpha methyl substituted thioethers. Further alpha thiomethyl ethers involving in the reductive cleavage or reductive fission with help of lithium and ethyl amine to give alkane. Here reductive cleavage means the cleavage of carbon sulfur bond by addition of hydrogen source or by addition of hydrogen. See the another example of this. This is also another example. It's almost equal to first example. This is also alkylation process. The main change of in this reaction, here benzyl alkyl thioether is used. This reacts with N-butyl lithium with THF and minus 78 degrees temperature to give alpha thiocarbanion. This alpha thiocarbanion reacts with any alkyl halide. Here take same methyl iodide. Again it will give alpha substituted methyl thioether compound. Further it will involve in the reductive fusion with help of lithium and ethylamine to form ethyl benzene. See the another example of this reaction. This is almost all are alkylation process. So all are similar to each other. Here take alkyl vinyl sulfide. Here vinyl group is attached to the sulfur. It will reacts with secondary butyl lithium. So this secondary butyl lithium abstract a proton from vinylic hydrogen. So generation of a thiocarbanion. This thiocarbanion reacts with octyl bromide in next step. So to give alpha octyl substituted thioalkene compound. Further removing of sulfur from the reaction mixture with help of lithium and ethylamine to give 1-decene. So this is the one of the very good important reaction in the CSIR net point of view. See the another application of these reagents, coupling of allyl groups. So many reactions are there to coupling of the allyl groups. We discussed later. Here allyl sulfide, I give color to that allyl sulfide. The color is blue, green. I give green color. Another allyl group is blue along with green color. The particular allyl group I give color. See the allyl sulfide with base to form generation of a carbanion. That is called allyl carbanion, allyl thiocarbanion, that is called. This, the generation of a carbanion, that is called allyl carbanion, attacks the allyl carbon of another allyl compound to formation of a new C bond C formation between two allylic carbons. Finally, the removing of sulfur from reaction mixture by simply these coupled product treated with lithium and ethylamine to give coupling product. See the another example of thioclizin rearrangement. The compound of allyl vinyl sulfide reacts with n-butyl lithium. The allylic hydrogen is replaced by base to form lithiothiocarbanion or alpha thiocarbanion. This carbanion reacts with pentyl bromide in next step to give alpha pentyl allyl vinyl sulfide. See this pentyl substituted allyl vinyl sulfide. I give the numbers to this atoms. Here 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. This compound involving in a Claisen rearrangement, that is called 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement. Presence of heat and DME solvent is required for this conversion. Here 1,1 bond breaking and a new bond between 3 and 3 carbon. So it is called a 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement. A new sigma bond formation between 3 carbons. Further, this compound hydrolysis, presence of mercury chloride to form gamma delta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. So another important reaction in this topic is synthesis of ketones. Generally, ketones from dithione compounds. Dithione route is the best route for synthesis of ketones. Our next topic, Umpalong, we will discuss this dithione chemistry. So here, alkyl vinyl sulfide reacts with butyl lithium, formation of thiocarbanion. This thiocarbanion attacks the octyl bromide. So octyl group substituted to the alpha to the thio group or sulfur group, sulfur. Further, it will involving in the hydrolysis process, presence of mercury chloride to form ketone. So, dear students, I hope you understand the topic of alpha thio and alpha selenocarbanions. Thank you. See you in next topic. Umpalong.